MovieJobHirecom pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're seeking work from home or remote jobs and you found entity organization MovieJobHirecom, zero promising paid movie reviewing jobs or Netflix reviewer positions, you want to pause. Most people get this wrong by trusting the promise without checking legitimacy. Online reviews of MovieJobHirecom show a trust score of only and describe the site as possibly risky. Many users share experiences of being asked for upfront payment, complex requirements, or never getting paid. What you get: the hope of easy work from home, reviewing films, or watching streaming content and getting paid. What you give up or risk: your time, personal data, potentially upfront fees, and no pay. Many remote job sites operate similarly to the Netflix reviewer scam model. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Ask if the job is posted by the actual company, Netflix or film studio, or by a third-party site. Step 2. Avoid sites asking for payment or personal investment upfront. Legitimate jobs don't. Step 3. Check payment terms. How much per task? What happens if you reject tasks? Step 4. Consider your cost, time invested versus realistic pay. If you spend many hours for minimal pay, value is low. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore warning signs. You may fill out applications, complete tasks, and receive nothing worse. Your data may be used or sold. The surprising truth: if the job sounds too easy and involves paying you, or you pay them, you're probably in a scam. In conclusion, MovieJobHirecom is at best a high-risk proposition. If you're serious about remote work, use established job boards, verify employer credentials, and protect your data. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more remote work platform pricing explained and what you're really getting for your time.